Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Toy Time. Thank you to all of you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Also, every time we get a new subscriber, we send a shout out to one new subscriber. Today, a big shout out to Aiden. Thank you so much, Aiden, for subscribing to Toy Toy Time. Next time it can be you. All you have to do is watch our video and look for this smiley face on my hand. And when you spot the smiling face during the video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Also, give us a thumbs up to let us know that you like our video. On today's video, we're gonna draw a pot of gold. Are you ready? So let's go ahead and start coloring and drawing. Okay, so let's start drawing. You're gonna make a line. That's the rim of the bowl holding all that gold. It's gonna have two handles. So this is the first one. And we're gonna continue drawing a round shape and stop right here because we're gonna draw the other handle. Try to follow exactly what you drew on the other side so it looks symmetrical, but it's okay if it's not symmetrical. We get better every time we draw. We're gonna draw a 4-leaf clover. You make the leaves look like hearts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job, everyone. Now let's draw the gold coins. Just make semicircles, make them overlapping each other, and fill the bowl with golden coins. Very nice. Now we're gonna draw the rainbow. We're gonna color the rainbow with 6 colors. So we're gonna draw 6 areas. So we can color them all after we're done drawing. Just make an arc going to the side, and they start thinner and they widen a little towards the end. Let's see how many I drew so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. So here we go. One more color for the rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many colors I'm planning to paint the rainbow. Alright, so let's go ahead and start coloring. We're gonna use the purple for the very first color. I'm gonna go ahead and you guys guessed it, right? I'm gonna put this in fast forward motion because there's so much coloring to do. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep looking for the smiley face. If you see it, hurry up and subscribe to Toy Toy Time. The next color of the rainbow is going to be blue. Alright guys, good job. Great coloring, everyone. You guys are all such wonderful artists. What a masterpiece you are drawing. Next color is going to be green. Let's go ahead and color this whole track in green. Can you see the rainbow coming along? It looks great, right? Let's keep coloring, everyone. And at the end of this rainbow, there will be a pot of gold. Can't wait until we can color all the coins in yellow. But as of now, let's finish coloring in green. Next color is yellow. So find the yellow crayon or coloring pencil and let's start coloring yellow. Do you guys like to color with Toy Toy Time? Let us know if you do. Subscribe to our channel. Next color is going to be orange. So let's find the orange crayon or coloring pencil or marker and start coloring. You guys are doing amazing. Good job. Thank you so much for coloring and drawing with us. We really love to color and draw. Last but not least, we're going to use red. Okay guys, your rainbows look amazing and your drawing looks great too. Let's keep coloring and look, we're almost halfway coloring this picture. Good job everyone! Now we're going to paint the 4-leaf clover. I'm gonna use 2 shades of green. The darker green I'm just lightly going to shade. And now I'm going to use this lighter green to color over the darker green to give it a little bit more depth. Make sure you color it through so the green looks very vibrant. Good job everyone! Have you guys ever found a 4-leaf clover? Oh my gosh, that would be so cool! Now this is the part that I was waiting for. I couldn't wait to paint the golden coins. I'm gonna use a darker yellow, a lighter yellow, and a little bit of an orangish shade so I can outline the coins. So I'm using this color, which is a little orange, a light shade of orange, and I'm just going to outline the coins a little. And then I'm gonna use 2 shades of yellow. So I'm going to use a darker shade of yellow and a lighter shade of yellow, and I'm going to alternate them. I'm gonna use the lighter shade of yellow for the front coin, but you guys can color them all in 1 shade of yellow. It will look great too. Alright, so let's keep coloring everyone. How is your drawing coming along? Are you drawing with a friend? With a sibling? Is mommy and daddy drawing with you? Alright, so this is so much fun. This is art for the whole family. I'm using the lighter shade of yellow for the front coins, but also I used one for the back coin just to give a little depth. And also I went with the same lighter yellow and went over the other ones that were a darker yellow, just to saturate the color a little more. Okay guys, we're almost done coloring. One more color. I'm using a dark gray and I'm going to color the pot of gold. I'm gonna put this in fast forward because there's so much to color. Alright everyone, let's color with me! Alright everyone, let's color with Toy Toy Time! Your drawing looks amazing. You guys are such great artists. Way to go! Wasn't this so much fun to draw and color? I love how the colors are so vibrant. Wow, that was fun. Guys, thank you so much for drawing and coloring with Toy Toy Time, and thank you for watching our channel. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and also give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked our video. Thank you so much for coloring and drawing with Toy Toy Time. You guys are awesome. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you.